friends, I am Lainey.
And I am Marshall.
And we are bringing you the Oh Hello February Lifestyle Box. This box costs $45, plus there is a little shipping fee on top of this. Just to be fully upfront with you, I pretty much canceled all of my subscription services except for this box and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I've even canceled my sheet mask one because I'm overflowing in sheet masks and I can't use them all. So I'm trying to be a little bit more focused and intentional about what I'm using. But full disclosure, I do pay for this even though I am a, what you call a poppy. They're like the ambassadors of the brand. I pay for this on my own. They don't send it to me free, but if you would like a discount, I don't believe you can get a discount on this, but you could, I don't know, using my code down below. And any of their other products you can use my code in. They have stickers and other things as well that you will see in here. But anyway, this is the Oh Hello box. Look the same as last month. She says it's going to change next month, the box design itself.
Okay.
I really enjoyed last month's box a lot. I thought there was a lot of really good products in it. For $45, the value is always over 100, even if it's over only 101. Like it says on here, I believe last month it was over 100 as well. So you're getting a lot of good value. She puts in things that you can use, things that are just for fun. There's like a random amount of stuff. Last month we got an apron, so that was pretty funny, and a traveler's notebook and an insert. I'm going to cover this up. I actually did open this already and take pictures of the stuff inside, but I do want to show you that it says work hard, play hard. That must be what the February theme is. Marshall has seen none of this, although he's seen one thing peeking out, so he's probably laughing at it right now.
Internally.
So what I'm going to do is have him show you the things to the camera and then what he thinks about them, and then I'll kind of tell you what their thought process was behind it. Yes, because that'll be the fun way to do it. All right, are you ready?
Can I start with the stuff that was peeking out?
Yes, you can.
Oh, hello, it's a rubber ducky.
So this is their one fun item for the month for sure. They're saying they want to find the perfect balance of playing hard, but yet working hard as well. So this is definitely play hard. As far as how I would use this, I don't know. What do you think?
What is the purpose of the rubber ducky?
To have fun.
Exactly. I mean, if you like taking baths, this is always fun, and you can always just annoy people with the squeaky squeaky. I'm not going to do that because it's annoying. I
think it would make a cat toy for us, quite honestly. The cats would love the squeaky. It does say "Oh Hello" on the front because they print a lot of the stuff that they are putting in the box. So, yes, squeaky
very
squeaky.
Cute rubber ducky.
What do you think?
This is funny.
So the rubber ducky. Yeah, why couldn't I see that? The rubber ducky retails for $9, which seems a bit high to me for a rubber ducky, but because it's printed, maybe that's why. But it just seems like a high price for a rubber ducky. What next do you see in there?
Well, this is the thing I see on top. You've got this very happy cloud in socks. Very happy. This kind of reminds me of the show Adventures of Gumball, with that kind of cartoony style. It's kind of cute and happy.
What I do like is that they give you a pin every month because I collect the pins. I've collected pins since I was a baby, pretty much. Like, I have pins all the way back from like the 1980s. So yes, I do have very old pins on my board. So I just love these. What she was saying is, well, the reasons why this is special to them is because they're, you'll see it on this notepad, but the head in the clouds, feet on the ground theme, because her husband, who basically does all the printed aspect of Oh Hello, promotional items, that kind of a thing, which we actually have worked with for our stuff, for cons. He is the dreamer, the head in the clouds. She is more realistic, feet on the ground. So it's kind of a mixture of who they are. But I think it's really cute. Like this head in the clouds pin. It is $10 normally retail, which I would say for a pin like this is probably about comparable.
Yeah, that's worth it. I mean, it's a good enamel pin.
Yes.
Yeah. Continuing with the stuff on top.
Yep, there's two.
There's two. It's Oh Hello Gorgeous. Oh wow, so this is Gos Lip Balm, and they've got their own printing on there. Hello Gorgeous. Right, there. I'm guessing it's mint and strawberry.
It could be. It doesn't really say on there, but it probably is one minty, one strawberry. I do like EOS lip balms. I use them quite a bit. I don't think I've used it in a stick though. I usually use the big round ones, but still they're fine. And I really like it because you can just stick those in your purse.
And they also went to extra length. Both of these are shrink wrapped when they sent it to you. So just absolutely no way it's going to come apart and get gunky, which is good.
They're saying the retail value of the EOS lip balms is $14. I would say with the printing, that's probably right. If you were just going to buy an EOS lip balm in the store, it will probably cost you $4. But because it's printed on there, that would probably be the extra $3, and then there's 2 of them, so it's 14. I still think it's a little bit high, but you're not just, like, again, you're not just walking into the store and purchasing something mass-produced. This is...
You're getting personalized stuff. Because this is also kind of showing off his printing company.
As well.
All the stuff that he can pull off.
All right, what's the next thing?
Well, we've got a notepad. Head in the clouds, feet on the ground. Oh, hello. Just, your standard notepad. Is it
I love
sticky?
notepads.
No, it's not sticky. It's just notepad, and that's very useful. Like, we could use that.
I use them all the time. Post-its and notepads, I use all the time. I think it's cute. They said that the retail value is $6, and I would say that's probably about right. Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
I love this.
Seeing this for a little while, and I'm like, ooh, that looks good. You've got a notebook, and it's got an actual cloth cover. It says, "You didn't come this far to only come this far." It's a really good saying. And it's actually got the strap to hold it all together.
And a pen loop.
And a pen loop built right into it. It is lined paper. It's not a bad size either. This is a nice pocket notebook almost. Not quite everybody's pocket, but it could fit in a purse or in a backpack with absolutely no problem. I actually,
I am using a hardbound Erin Condren to write notes for me. Once I finished with that, I was going to get a different notebook, but this is actually going to be a really nice replacement, so I'm really glad that I have that, so I don't have to buy it later.
Yeah.
But I like the way it looks a lot, like how it's kind of heathered. I like the saying. I love the strap, and the fact that it comes with a pen loop is amazing, because my other one does not. People at work think I'm really funny because I literally have a pen for every single notebook that I have. Like, I have a calendar with a pen in it, and I've got a bullet journal with a pen in it, and I've got a notepad with a pen in it. And they're like, why do you need so many pens? I'm like, have you seen people, like, forget their pens all over the place? I'm never going to be without a pen. And I'm never going to lose the pen because it's right there.
Exactly. You put the pen with what you're going to use the pen on, and now, no matter what, when you use that thing, you've got the pen right there at hand.
I know. People are strange. All right. What did I say? Oh, so the heathered notebook is $8. I think that's actually a good value. I would say it's probably worth more. I would say it's probably worth about 10. So I think they underestimated on that one.
Okay. After that, we've got the sticker pack with a whole bunch of different sayings on it. So you've got, oh, hello. You have, "You did not come this far to only come this far." "Hello, gorgeous. Turn dreams into plans." "Head in the clouds, feet on the ground." "It doesn't happen overnight," and "Do what you love."
I'm gonna put some of those on my bullet journal. For sure. I love these stickers. Turn dreams into plans. I love them.
How much is that worth?
Oh, the stickers are $5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now we have this kind of a...
This is what they call a relaxation kit. But what is it all about in there?
Well, it says, "Making your life simply beautiful." Open it up, open it up. And inside, we have, I believe this is a soapstone bar?
It's a pumice stone.
Pumice stone. I heard puma stone, and I'm like, okay. We have some this one's actually soap. Saponified oils of olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, canola oil, castor oil, fragrance oil, and colorants and cinnamon. So this is just a cinnamon sugar pie. I think there's another
cinnamon
one.
and a soap.
Yeah.
People are brave.
Yeah, cinnamon sugar pie as well. That's looking pretty good. And then green tea.
They know me.
Mm-hmm.
They know me. So this little relaxation kit they're saying costs $14. So when you're thinking the bad, the pumice stone, the 2 handmade soaps, that's probably about right, I would say.
And yeah, I like this bag. It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's good and strong. Pen. Behold. Clicky pen. It's gold. Turn dreams into plans. It's probably, oh yeah, that's number 2.
$4 for the pen. I mean, definitely printed on it. It's very light, which I do appreciate because if you get a heavy pen, sometimes it's harder to write. It is a gel pen, which I also like. It looks to be kind of fine tip. So I like those because I just put them in my bullet journal and they're so easy to write with. I love it.
And then you have this clutch.
/ makeup bag.
And it's actually a square bottomed one, so it holds a good amount of stuff.
I love those because you can just sit them there and they stand straight up.
Is it big enough to actually fit that notebook?
Let's see.
Notebook.
The notebook fits in there, folks.
It fits quite nicely. You could also put the notepad.
And the pen?
You can definitely put the pen. Oh, hey, how about some stickers too?
US?
It fits in there.
And the stickers?
Oh, stickers. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got the pin too, but you can just pin the pin to it.
Pin the pin to it. We don't really need the rubber ducky.
But does the ducky fit in there too? The ducky is uncomfortable.
Okay, so how big it is. Actually, I probably will use it just for that purpose. I will probably stick the note part of the pen and the notebook in there so that I can just toss it into my bag. You and your smarty pants.
This is so fun.
Okay.
I like that.
So that bag costs $16. That's probably about right. It is actually a nice, like, kind of a canvas bag that says "Oh Hello" on it. And I like the colors. It makes me think of spring coming, but come on, guys. Like, look at that. That's amazing. So this is definitely bigger than one of those Ipsy bags. Like, it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's about the same size, but when you get the square bottom, yeah. One more thing left.
It doesn't happen overnight.
I think we need to hang this in our office somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe it doesn't happen overnight. It definitely doesn't. We're coming up on year 2. This will be the 2nd year of our business, and it's a lot of hard work, but it doesn't happen overnight. So true. It's cute. It's a cute pennant. What do you think?
Yeah, it's fun. I like it, and it doesn't take up a huge amount of room. Like we could even hang it off of some of our existing artwork there. It's such a lightweight piece.
So the value of this says $15. Okay. Yeah. Marshall's just gonna wear it. That's awesome. All right, so everything here. What are your thoughts?
I thought that this was really fun, and this is very good for those people that are planners. Just taking, like, it's giving you some tools to do your work, but then it's just like, but you gotta relax too, and you gotta forgive yourself for not always being awesomely organized, and sometimes just take time for yourself.
Which is something that I'm trying to do more in 2019.
It's like when you look at the quotes on there, many times you see all these little head in the clouds, feet on the ground, and you think that it means, well, you should dream, but keep your feet on the ground. But at the same time, it means that as much as you're working very hard, you need to be able to dream. You need to be able to come out of the world and think of what you could be. Exactly.
Well, thank you so much for watching our Oh Hello review of the February box. I'm probably going to continue to get this box, to be honest. Just because, like, I canceled all the rest of them. I will still try to find interesting boxes. I think Marshall might be looking for a couple man-related boxes as well.
I need to get some manly stuff up in here.
Yeah. So we might be doing those, but... like, honestly, I'd love to see what they continue to do, because I think this stuff it's just useful. You know, where can you find, like, a box of stuff that you can actually use? If you're not into this kind of thing, then obviously it's not for you, and you might think it's a little expensive, but honestly, now I don't have to go to, like, Target or something like that to find this stuff. It's just coming to me, and I'll end up using it.
Yeah.
It actually is pretty kind of made for me, this stuff, except for maybe the Duckie.
The Duckie was made for the cats.
That was for the fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
Stay zany.
Bye-bye.